Beautiful day indeed. And will it stay that way for the weekend? Well, at least 2/3 of it. And it certainly is looking like that. This has been a pretty consistent forecast over the last couple of days, and confidence is high. At least it's confidence in, again, more than half of the weekend being nice. So if you have outdoor plans, if you have beach plans, Saturday or Sunday, those are the days. Temperatures will be inland in the mid-upper 70s, and temperatures at the shoreline will be just a tad shy of 70 degrees, a little bit cooler out there. Monday, we're looking at cloudy skies, cooler temperatures across the board, and also about a 40% chance of afternoon and evening showers. I think in the morning we're going to be dry, maybe a little bit of drizzle, but should be able to stave off those showers until the afternoon. So again, if you're heading out to parades, depending on the time, you may run into a little bit of trouble, but it's a beautiful weekend. Hey, if you're looking for something to do to start things off tomorrow, RIFC taking on Louisville up in Smithfield. First half, look at that, gorgeous sunshine. We're going to start to see those high clouds filtering in throughout the day. Temperature at around 4 p.m. should be the high of the day for Smithfield, which 78 degrees, so a very comfortably warm day tomorrow. Satellite radar quiet right now. We've got 80s inland, 70s at the shore, a little bit more of a sea breeze this afternoon, but again, it was the warmest day of the week for South County because it was generally a west wind for most of the day. You start to get that little bit of a south component out there right now, 10 to 15 mile per hour breeze. It feels really, really nice. So high pressure, weak high pressure is here in the northeast. We do have a secondary cold front. This is the cold front yesterday that brought the downpours and the storms earlier in the day, but the humidity kind of stuck around, no pun intended, until that passed through. So we're drier, but we, again, had that return flow out of the west today. You're saying it's a very honest question. A cold front comes through, why does the temperature drop? It usually does. That is correct. But again, it's the fact that we had a secondary cold front that has yet to come through. The winds went right back to that west wind as opposed to a north wind. So that kept the temperatures warm today, but again, did cut down on the humidity. Now, when this cold front goes through, we'll drop those temperatures again back down from the low to mid 80s to the mid and upper 70s. Now, you follow that boundary all the way back to the west. This is what has been producing the severe weather. You see the yellow boxes, those severe thunderstorms, the green boxes, flash flood warnings right now, parts of eastern Iowa down into Illinois. Now, we're not expecting any of that severity by the time that gets here, but in fact, most of that storm system is probably not going to reach here. The energy will weaken, and as it moves through, it just brings with it clouds and maybe a slight chance of a shower. So, beautiful day tomorrow. Again, sunshine across the board, not a cloud in sight. We're going to watch for those high clouds to start drifting in as we get into the afternoon and evening. Ahead of that disturbance, this is it right here. Fairly disorganized, scattered showers, and continues to weaken as it pushes across New England. The only thing is, it is going to be nearby on Sunday, so as we get that heating of the day, watch what happens here. We stop at 11:30, right? We haven't really hit our peak heating yet. As we get into the afternoon hours, watch for these little green spots to pop up. Yeah, about a 20% of a chance of a pop-up shower, maybe even thunder shower out there. Now, the clouds start coming back in. We get that onshore flow developing a bit as we head into Monday. Mostly dry again, a couple of sprinkles out there in the morning, but here is what we're watching, the arrival of that next storm system. That could bring some substantial showers later on in the day. We're going to give it about a 40% chance, and again, a PM chance. Tuesday, the showers continue. We'll dry it out Wednesday. A beautiful day, mostly sunny and 75. That's the stereotypical day, I call it. The sunny with a high of 75. 67 on Thursday, 68 rather on Friday. So a cooler end of the week, but we'll get the sunshine back out there, John.
Well, that is a really, really nice looking 7-day forecast there.
It is.
My goodness.
Little blip.
Just a
Monday
blip.
into Tuesday,
Yeah.
and Sunday, I mean, literally a blip. You saw how, we get that heating of the day, a little pop-up here or there, but plan-wise, again, obviously, if you have a chance to maybe move some stuff around, Saturday and Sunday are the better days than Monday. Monday's going to be cloudier.
And Monday, is that a widespread rain or is that more of an isolated?
So the spritzes and sprinkles could be anywhere in the morning, but again, if you want to talk about the substantial rain and that storm system coming in from the west, that could really impact everybody depending on the exact timing of it. And right now it's looking like later half of the day. So again, maybe you can't move the day around, but if you can move the timing of the day itself around from the afternoon maybe to the morning, I would recommend that.